This is a 2013 Dodge Journey. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.6-liter V6. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, keyless go, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, LED headlights, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: the Uconnect infotainment system, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 29,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.